Hi everyone. Today we're going to use what we know about finding the area of rectangles to make sense of finding the area of triangles. On the screen, you can see an orange rectangle that has side measures 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. The area of this rectangle is given inside, and that is 15 centimeters squared. We know that is true because 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters equals 15 centimeters squared. But you can also see that it's true because I've drawn some grid lines there, and you can count up the individual squares and you will get 15. The area of triangles can be closely related to this. I have also on the screen 4 different triangles, but they all have something in common, and they're all related to that original rectangle. Can you see the relationship? I'm going to take this orange rectangle, which is congruent to my first one, and bring it over a little closer to the triangles so you can see the relationship. Can you see that this right triangle in the bottom corner is exactly half of our original rectangle? If I bring it over to another triangle, again, it is exactly 1/2. Again, a different triangle, but it's exactly 1/2 of that original rectangle. And again, the area of this final triangle is 1/2 of the original. So how can we use that information? Well, our original rectangle is 15 centimeters squared. These triangles have an area that is 1/2. So 1/2 of 15 centimeters squared will give us our area. 1/2 of 15 is 7 and 5/10 centimeters squared, or 7.5. That's the area of each of these triangles. Let's look at another example. Here we have an isosceles triangle, meaning we have 2 side measures that are equal and one that is different. I also see here that I have an 8-meter measure, and that's referring to this dotted line, or the distance from this 6-meter side to the opposite vertice. So how do I find the area of this triangle? Well, using what I know about rectangles might be helpful. If I picture, draw in, or sketch the rectangle that encloses this triangle, I can see what measures I need to use for my calculation. The rectangle that encloses this triangle would measure 8 meters, because it would be the same as this dotted line or height measure here. It would be 8 meters by 6 meters. 8 times 6 is 48. Half of 48 is 24. So the area of this triangle must be 24 meters squared. Using what you know about rectangles can really help in finding the area of triangles.